Hey guys, how's it going? Just thought I'd make a quick video talking about the Summit Racing 4.6 liter intake manifold replacement. Now that I believe Ford either stopped producing the original one and is now producing another one, or it's just super expensive. Either way, there's not a whole lot of good options out there, but I saw this one pop up on Summit Racing. It's made in the USA. It looks very similar to the original Ford, or the Ford Performance one, maybe. Either way though, I had the same issue many of these have, where the plastic meets the metal on the coolant, the little coolant pass over here that goes into the block. It broke, and so it caused a leak. And in fact, I can go I'll grab that. I can show you where the leak happened. Never mind, I forgot that I scrapped that because it has some aluminum on it. So anyway, I had to replace it. Common issue. I'm sure a lot of you guys have had that issue, and you've had to replace this at some point. This car was around 178,000 miles that I got it replaced. It's now at 179,000, so I've had to put just about 1,200 miles on it so far, and no issues. It's worked just fine. Didn't notice any power loss or anything like that. Everybody's talking about the Dorman manifold. You'd lose some power and all that stuff, but no big deal. It doesn't make a whole lot of power to start with, but you know, certainly seems to be a decent replacement. It has the one nice thing about the Summit Racing manifold is it has the embossed brass thread inserts instead of just being like self-tapper screws and straight into the plastics. That was really nice. And overall, no leaks. I haven't noticed any leaks or vacuum leaks or anything like that. And it fit right on here just fine. I just used the factory brackets, factory alternator bracket here. And I did skip the bracket on the back for the throttle and cruise control cables, because it has a capture plate right there. So I did skip putting that other plate in there because it just didn't seem like a very necessary thing to me at the time. And so yeah, new spark plugs, I put Denso coil packs in there. They're cheaper than the Motorcraft ones, but they're the same part number, or same part. I'm pretty sure Denso is the one who makes the Motorcraft ones. So saved $1 doing that. New plugs and that intake manifold, and it stopped a little bit of an idle misfire I had, and no more coolant leak. One thing I did notice is it does leak slightly. It has been, I can't tell if it's up here around the thermostat or if it's on the bottom. I don't think it's on the bottom. I think it's just dripping down and it gets down there on the bottom, but I'll just probably snug that down and see if that fixes it. But it's such a slow leak. Maybe a faint smell of coolant from time to time, but overall not so bad. So I just say, for the Summit Racing intake manifold, thumbs up. I think it's fine. So pick one up if you need one, because you'll probably need one at some point. So see you guys in another one.